Here's how to create a professional cover page in Microsoft Word. I will show you the built-in templates, how to design your own, and how you can create a cover page template. At the end of this video, I will also show you a few examples of cool cover pages. Now, the built-in templates are really super easy. You just go to Insert and then click Cover Page. Choose one of the built-in designs. Click the placeholder and change the title, subtitle, date, etc. This is the fastest way to create a clean cover page. Now, for me, the standard templates are a bit boring, so let's create our own. Let's delete this and add a nice image. Go to Insert, Pictures, and then select Stock Images or Upload one. Now, I've already found this image on Pexels. Let's put it behind the text and make it a bit bigger. We also want to make sure it doesn't move with the text. Okay, let's insert a text box and type the title and subtitle. Next step here is decreasing the line spacing a bit. I'll set the shape fill and outline to no and select white for the font. I'll set the font to Sigu and make it a bit bigger. To make this text stand out a bit more, I'm also decreasing the brightness a bit. As a last step, I'm adding our company logo. And that's it. In only a few steps, we've created a super professional cover page here. Now here's an important part. You can save this cover page as a template. Select everything on your cover page, go to Insert, Cover Page, and click Save Selection to Cover Page Gallery. Give it a name and click OK. Now your custom design appears together with the built-in templates. Okay, let me know in the comments if this short video was helpful and consider subscribing to my channel. Next, I have a few more examples of cool cover pages.